Hello, what's up? It's your girl Tease. Alright, so I want y'all to do this with me. I dare you to find the light switch for this room. So obviously the light switch for the hall area is this. Okay? Got it? Good. People may say me have to almost call the receptionist because almost an hour me I try to figure out which part the light the end of the room. So, may I say all of the bright people, them may I tell us that them place here, them so ahead of time. However, let's search for the light switches. So, may I talk soft because I don't want to disturb you. I bet, listen, unless you don't watch me live, I'm not going to know which part this light switch there. However, the first person to find the light switch, I'm going to go give my money card, but you may go show it at the end. Let me know which one of y'all figure out where the light switch was, and I want you to be honest. Me don't want to tell no lie, okay? So you say where I search the wall and I can't even back up the video. Where I take with time and where I comb the room like a real investigator, like we did upon CSI, like we are practiced to become an FBI. Yes, it's so I talk soft because me don't want to frighten them, I want to concentrate. Find the light switch. All of the genius them, the people with the quick eye, the 2020 vision, the smart people, the one who it's down in at the front of the class, yeah. Not the back of the class, the good people them with them subject. The one who on a subject but them street smart and can't figure it out. Me feel like me the amazing grace. Yes, people, me even think that the little button there was it. So me try. I never eat. I just a part of the bedded. People, me check right there. So it's not a light switch. Listen, me feel like door the explore. Me explore. Can me try find this light switch fi turn off the light and go my bed. That's for the bathroom. Okay, we're in the bathroom. I know for the in the room that me try this. I know it. Me confused. I want to go my bed. I want to light them to turn off, but I want to try to be smart. I want to be intelligent, and I want to use the brain cell. And I do like a challenge. So I say, I not call the reception. I try to figure it out myself. Yeah. I not call guest service. I have to figure it out myself. I try, yes, so I don't the light. I searched and I searched and I searched, and I guarantee you 99% down, unless you live in Japan before, and now going to know about this light switch there. You never get it right. So I don't, me say all under the bed, me look people. Because I say maybe something. Me search and I couldn't find, so I say forget me, I call the reception, and me take up the phone. Me look, me read. Me say what the bum plan jungle. Look how the people them wicked are really there's a light switch there. Elton narrator, I'm beaten, but I love it now. For on a real though, they're so advanced. Be honest, did you find a light switch? Would you have figured it out? Let me know in the comment.